Okay, everybody. This is kind of an older video. Well, not older, it's new, but it's something that happened to us back in January. We had a huge ice storm, and we had more than an inch of ice. And for those of you who don't have to deal with, the winter disasters wherever you might live, this is a really big deal. It was like the largest in our history. It spread for 500 miles long and 100 miles wide across Missouri. I myself was out of power for 9 days. My brother was out of power for 15 days. You could hear the trees falling in the middle of the night. We had one fall on our truck, on our fence, on our house, which of course left a lot of people with no power, no food, no water, no heat. I mean, it was awful. We were actually declared a national disaster area. And this is actually inspired by Autumn's video about the blizzard that they had back in March from Bad Autumn. Love her videos. Gotta watch them. But I thought you guys actually might, enjoy this. This is our version of our disaster. And I'll show you some pictures of it, so I hope you enjoy.
Underneath the trees, we watch the sky, confusing stars, the satellites. I never dreamed that you'd be mine, but here we are, we're here tonight, singing, hey, man, I'm alive, singing, hey, man, I am alive. Died and I'm singing, hey, hey man, hey man, I'm alive, hey man, hey man, hey man, I'm alive, and in the air